The stage is wonderful, it's very dynamic and well set up. Just like expected, the performers are extremely talented and the show was fun to watch. Musical less than Step It Up greater than in Seoul. Even worn down, never stop. Dance begins at your toes. An inspiring musical about an old cobbler who repairs worn-out shoes and stitches together the memories they hold. Each pair of shoes carries a laughter, tears, love, and farewells, footprints of life that unfold as stories through dance. Date/time: October 24th to October 27th, 2025. Venue: Myung Hall, Daon Hall. Don't miss your chance to witness Step It Up, a touching tale of resilience, memory, and movement.